Assistance dog task aiding with opening fridge. This is a brand new behavior for all for dogs. This is the first time we have had a fridge freezer with handles. To make it easier for me for accessibility. They have never accessed the fridge or the pantry before either. So this is all very new to them. So of course I teach this new behavior through play with favorite tug toys. Dogs learn faster and more efficiently through play and high-value rewards. If a behavior is fun, they are going to repeat the behavior for the fun. You can see how fast they pick up the behavior. And how excited they are to play and grab the tug for the reward. Few repetitions. Short duration. High reward frequency. Low criteria. All the mechanics you need to set your dog up for success.